So if you're like me and you have the Samsung Galaxy Fold and like to upgrade your case, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at UAG's Monarch line for the Galaxy Fold. Let's get right to it. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at a case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold that comes from UAG. This is the Monarch series, and it shares a lot of the features of the standard cases, but is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Let's check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, one of the things I love about the UAG line, and specifically the Monarch line, is how it looks and the kind of drop protection that you get. So we'll go ahead and check out what we have here. This is going to be a cool case, and one of the things that really attracted me about this case is the fact that not only is it going to protect your phone and it's going to give you a really slim design, but it also covers the spine, which some of the cases that we've looked at don't. So the spine here remains open. So I like the fact that this one exposes it, and again, that it has some good drop protection. You notice that it has some good bumper protection on each side, and then this is the spine area and how they've designed that so that it's still flexible. So let's go ahead and put it on our case, and we'll see what it looks like. So next, let's go ahead and install the case. I'm just going to slide in the phone, starting with the back portion first. I'm not even going to open it up, just snapping it in just like this, and doing the same thing right here, and you'll notice how it just snaps into place just like that. So you'll notice the front area, you have a nice protective area here for the front of the phone. You have your actual front-facing camera and speaker nicely exposed. You notice here that you have some nice cutouts and also some nice protection here. So you have some good protection there. It's easy to find the fingerprint sensor, and I like bringing my finger up and just finding it right there. You have your volume rocker. You also then have, if you notice in this angle here, protection so that your buttons aren't being pressed inadvertently. So if you put your phone in your pocket, you don't have to worry about that there either. You do have bumper protection on each on the corners, and you can see how that pops out, giving you some really nice protection. And my favorite part about this case is the fact that you have something on the spine here that's giving you some protection. On the back, the camera, you can see that you have your camera lens, and it's nicely protected. And it's there's some nice depth to it. And on the bottom, you can see that you have all your appropriate cutouts, and everything aligns really nicely. If I were to open up the phone, I just want to show you what happens in the back here. Kind of like the spine comes up. And what I like about this design, at first I was like, this is kind of different. But I like that it gives me something to hold on to. So let me just show you on this side. So when I open up my phone, I'm going to open up my phone this way. I like the fact that I have I can do this thing. See how I'm doing it right here? So when I open it up, it gives me the ability to really hold on to my phone, especially if I'm doing something that's one-handed. So that's pretty cool. The other thing is that it kind of gives me this slight viewing angle. So you notice how I have here the phone, and it's giving me this angle for viewing purposes. So I don't know if that was by design, but there's some of the attributes that I just find that are really easy to use, and for my use at least, it makes my Galaxy Fold more usable as opposed to just leaving it flat on any specific surface, because now I have something to grip onto, and then also I have kind of like that built-in stand. As we take a look at the corners here, you'll notice that the corners, and I'll hold it right here, it doesn't really come up, right? And I think that's probably by design. So it's almost flush with the screen, except you have over here, and I'll put this in an angle here, this part comes up a little bit, but the rest is pretty flush going all the way around. And here you have it pop up again. So it doesn't give you a lot of screen protection, but really, this is not really designed as traditional cases or traditional phones to provide screen protection, because when it closes, and we'll go ahead and close it, you want to make sure that it closes flush and it doesn't impede any of the hinge mechanism. So all in all, I like it. I really do. My previous case was a little bit thicker than this one. It was a little bit bulkier, and I like how stealthy it looks. I like the treatment. It has kind of like a rubberized treatment. It feels like it's not going to fall out of my hand. And again, it gives me a total different look on my Galaxy Fold. So if you're interested for this case, let me know. I'm going to put the description of the product as well as the link in the comment area below. It would be a great holiday gift for someone that has a Galaxy Fold, either to gift yourself or to gift someone else.